What's up, gorgeous? Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving in deep to something we all know and we all hate, hair damage. Did you know that over 70% of people experience some form of hair damage in their lifetime? I'm going to show you the simple tips and tricks and products to restore your hair back to that beautiful, natural, shiny texture. This is your year to have healthy hair. Now, how did we get damaged hair in the first place? Well, it's heat styling tools. It's not using heat protectants before those heat styling tools. It's going to the salon and getting highlights and damaging your hair with those coloring services. How often did you go to the salon to actually come out with more damage than you walked in with? It happens all the time, and I'm going to show you the simple, easy steps to restoring your hair back to its natural, healthy beauty. Now, there are many things that can damage your hair. Heat styling tools, chemical services at a salon, doing your hair at home, and also environmental factors like the sun blasting your hair and your scalp every day, environmental chemicals that are out there that latch onto your hair and make your hair hard and brittle and rough. All of those things contribute to having damaged hair. And here are ways to combat all of that. First step, be gentle on your hair. As much as you can, avoid heat styling tools like blow dryers, like curling irons, like flat irons. Let your hair air dry if possible. Always use high quality professional products. Products that have a vegan formula, products that are going to be nourishing on your scalp and on your hair. Always try to work with your natural texture so you're not overstressing your hair. If your hair is naturally straight, try and choose styles that enhance that look. When you are choosing colors at the salon for you and your stylist to achieve new looks, try and go for something that's more of a natural look and not something so extremely opposite from your natural hair color. Your diet and your hydration level is also very important. Drinking enough water is going to benefit your entire body, including your scalp and your hair. That's going to promote more hair growth and cell rejuvenation, which is going to give you shiny, beautiful, voluminous hair. So in 2024, you can have healthy hair too. And this right here is one of my favorite products for that. This is the Renew 21 from NuMe. It's one of my favorite products. It has 21 amino acids. It's a leave-in conditioner, leave-in mask. So you would shampoo your hair in the shower. You would use no conditioner. You would get out of the shower and you would put 5 pumps into your hand and you will work it into your hair. Then you will let it sit for at least 4 minutes and then style as normal. You can let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer and brush and even heat styling tools after that. This leave-in mask is going to repair, revitalize, and restore your hair from the damage. Now, this nano repair mask is also going to help restore your hair. So it is so important to restore your hair because of all the environmental stresses that are being put on it from outside. That's humidity, that's sunlight, that's pollutants, heat styling tools, chemical services. All these things we do to our hair to make it look more beautiful is actually disintegrating and damaging our hair. So it's so important to use a mask like this 21 amino masks from NuMe to renew and restore your hair back to its original health. I'm going to show you my regimen, what I like to do when I get out of the shower. After I have cleansed my hair with a NuMe shampoo, I will get out of the shower, get my Renew 21, and I will place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumps in my hair. So that's 2.5 pumps for either side. And then I will really just rake it in with my hair. I'll apply a little product on that side and a little product on this side. And I always say, the more you work it in, the better. The more you evenly distribute the product, the better. Because you're really just adding that layer of protection, that layer of moisture, that layer of revitalizing ingredients to your hair to help renew it, to help restore it, to help give it that shine and that luster and that bounce and that body back into your hair. This smells amazing. It has a little bit of a tropical scent, I would say. It has 21 amino acids in it. Guys, look at this. I haven't used a heat styling tool at all. I haven't used a blow dryer. I haven't used a brush. I only use the Renew 21 mask, but look at all the shine. Look at all the luster that it gave me without even using a brush, just my fingertips. I can still feel the product on my hands. It feels so nourishing. It feels so silky and so smooth and restorative. You know when you put like a moisturizer on and it seeps in, soaks in, you can almost feel it like working right away. Now to wrap things up, let's recap on the strategies that I discussed to restore damaged hair. 1, avoid heat styling tools as much as you can. So that would include letting your hair air dry, turning your hot irons down, turning the temperature down on your hot irons, and using and choosing products that are of high quality, like this NuMe Renew 21 mask with amino acids that's going to help nourish and restore your hair. Also, when you are at the salon with your stylist choosing your next hairstyle and hair color, choose a style that is more natural looking and not such a complete opposite look from your natural hair color. That's going to help restore your hair. That's going to help keep the health of your hair and the health of your scalp. If you found this video helpful, and I know you will if you use the NuMe Renew mask, you are going to feel the health of your hair increase almost instantly. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm going to be releasing videos multiple times a week to give you the confidence that you've always wanted in your hair care journey. Now, if you have any tips for me or requests from me, please put it in the comments below. In the description, I'm going to have the link for all of the products as well as a discount code for you to use on the NuMe website to get a little discount from me to you. And until next time, have a great hair day every day. This is what you'll be getting when you get the NuMe Renew 21 Nano Mask home. It's going to come in this box right here. You're getting 1.69 fluid ounces of product. You are using a tiny, tiny amount of this product each and every time you shampoo your hair. This isn't a product that you're going to want to use every time you get out of the shower. You're going to want to use this 3 times in a row, right? So you're going to shampoo your hair, towel dry it, apply 5 pumps of this product, and then style your hair as normal. The next time you shampoo your hair, you're going to do the same regimen. And the next time, the 3rd time, you're going to do your same regimen. Then the 4th time, you're just going to shampoo and conditioner as normal, right? And you're still going to feel the benefits. I would wait 2 times after the 3rd time to use this again because your hair is already nourished, it's already repaired. You're not going to want to overuse product because there's just no point in doing that. I know you're going to absolutely love this product because I love it. It's a vegan formula and it is everything that you need to have healthy hair.